up? Voice crack. What up? Jay here, back with another video. I'm back with another tutorial. Um, it's currently 7:26 in the morning. About to get ready for school. I'm about to vlog. I'm driving on my way to school. Probably gonna record it, put it in fast motion, have some music in the background. I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna show you how I pretty much get to school. I'm hyped for this channel. I feel like it's gonna be big success. I'm too hyped, I can't even talk. Okay, so by the way, guys, before I even get into the video, I will be doing gaming on this channel. There will be vlogs and games, tutorials, and all that stuff. Okay, so without further ado, today I'm gonna be showing you how to get wallpapers. What's it called? Wallpapers, ringtones, and notification sounds, etc. Right? So there's gonna be a link in the description for this app. So what you wanna do is go to the Play Store. Okay, you wanna type in VEDG, as you can see it's over here, and it says ringtones wallpaper. And once you download it, the app is gonna look exactly like the icon right here. So once you tap on it, it's gonna have. I think that at the beginning I had the app for so long. This app is really good, but I think it tells you a tutorial when you first download it. I don't remember. But here you go. Wallpapers. Like how. Then you have recent wallpapers. People that just made or posted wallpapers. Here they are. This is really good. So what you want to do, if you want one as a background, you're gonna go to the wallpaper, just tap on it. Press a little arrow means you're gonna download it. And by the way, it's just saved to your phone. Also the app. So if you delete the app, you still got the wallpaper. Just saying. Then you're gonna click on set. And now there you go. We got a new wallpaper. And if any pop-up ads pop up, that's how they move. But this is my wallpaper. See that? We got it now. Okay. So let's go back into the app. You have popular wallpapers. I used to have this one right here. So that was the last one. I'm gonna get that one back. You got the featured, which is the one you usually start off, and then you have categories of where sorry guys, I just woke up, just finished washing up and everything. So, but yeah, here are some different categories of wallpapers. So press the 3 lines up in the upper left corner, and you have live wallpapers, which if you don't know what live wallpapers are, those are the wallpapers that move in your background. These do drain your battery more because they're constantly going, but not falling for the goodness. But if you want it, go ahead and use your phone. I'm not stopping you. Then obviously you got the recent and popular ringtones. I'm not gonna play one, but obviously here you go, and you're just gonna tap. You can tap on to see the little play button, and obviously you got recent. You can press on one, not type on it. Not talking about that little play button on the left. You can actually tap on one and then play it or download it. And once you download it, you'll be able to put as a ringtone, notification, a certain contact that you might want, or your alarm sound. Okay, and then once again you have popular and category. Okay, notification sound. These are pretty much other ringtones, but they're like a couple seconds long. I have the iPhone ones instead. Kind of thing. So you have the feature. Obviously the recent, it's the same thing, but just like for the ringtone. Press the down arrow and for the wallpaper and the notification, ringtone, contact, or alarm. Okay, guys, and then they also have games. They do have games, but it's I'm pretty sure it's a beta feature. They're still working on it. But obviously, you know, we just went through this. Featured, made, and popular, and icons, which is in this beta, as you can see. This is an icon pack. So once you press on, I'm pretty sure it takes you to the Google Play Store, or depending if you're on iOS, it might take you to the Apple Store and bring you to the thing they downloaded. And they'll also have, and it's gonna probably tell you to download a link. I'm gonna download a launcher. Okay, so lists. You can add a favorite list. I don't use this, but you can if you want to. And download it. This is everything that you have downloaded. So if you forget, like, oh, I want an old wallpaper, boom, you know, all the ones I downloaded. And I say like 20%, maybe 25% of these pictures right here, I did not use it.